Uh-oh, someone's having a little bit of car trouble.
Oh no, no, get back in there.
Who better to take care of this than the boys? Time to finish them off. You can never have too much self-defense. Mike, have you ever seen the videos that Troom Troom puts out that is tips to save your life, like they're hacks?
There's no hacks to save your life.
I want to test if they actually work. So usually in Troom Troom videos, there's a girl who is being attacked by a much larger man, and then she like uses some sort of martial arts manipulation.
Some like
you have a martial arts experience.
a little bit.
The only thing missing though, if you wouldn't mind wearing this just for the video's sake, and right there.
So this
How's
is,
that look?
That looks good.
It's in my eyes and my mouth and everything.
Well, do you have a hairband? Like a?
Yeah, I have one. I keep a hairband on me at all times. This is miserable. It goes right back in my face.
So what I want to do is I'm going to let you watch these Troom Troom videos.
Right.
I want you to dissect them and try and use them against me. I have no idea what you're doing.
I don't either. I'm gonna look at the technique, see the technique, and then try to recreate it on you, an attacker with no previous knowledge of the technique.
Yeah, should we actually be wearing pads? I didn't think about that.
No, man.
No?
No, man. I mean, I'll wear a wig, but I'm not gonna wear a pad. Troom Troom. It says make it easy.
Visiting an art gallery was a great idea.
So there's this creepy guy with a derby. Sketchy dude at the art gallery. That's a pretty common self-defense scenario.
There's a great trick that'll disable any attacker.
Okay. I actually think that this technique will work. To get someone's foot out from underneath them like that, you have to have some experience in like timing out where their weight is at. But I think I can make this one work. So the scenario is I'm at an art gallery checking out a piece of art, and you're gonna come over and like try to like, you like get too close to me. Yeah, a little too close to me, talking to me. Yeah. Probably like mansplaining to me, not recognizing my personal space. Yeah. And you are standing square to me, too close like this.
So you know, this is actually
right.
a beginner's Picasso, pretty much. I was gonna say you missed, and then it set in late. It set in really late. Okay. So the first two, I was unfazed. I was like, oh, that was stupid. And now I feel like a numbness down to my knees.
I actually love this idea. Shifted his weight to his left foot. I kicked right foot.
Yeah.
Weight goes there. I kicked that one.
Yeah.
Bingo.
But my feet didn't go very far apart.
Yeah.
And then the third one came.
This is gonna require perfect timing.
Yeah. As you watch it, you're like, why would he just stand there?
They weren't damaging attacks. Because if I like kicked you hard and we're fighting, you might react differently. But it's like, just this.
That could be even like a little bit flirty, where you could be like,
like,
oh my gosh,
stop. You stop.
Dang!
Can I not do this anymore?
No, you've got to wear the wig the whole
God
time.
almighty.
So the next one, all you.
The villain is back on track and ready for new adventures.
So the villain's back on track and ready for new adventures.
She is not interested. What a hit! I think you'll need to see a doctor.
So here's the scenario. You've got to come up to me. I am a very, very attractive young lady. And you try to come up and impress me with some dancing and gyration. Yeah, and then you try to like get a little handsy with me.
You like that?
Right, no, I don't like that. No, I don't like that. All right.
I mean, I don't hate it.
Yeah.
It's again kind of Muay Thai-ish.
I kind of mistimed that one.
Fire ants.
The only problems with the technique, it wasn't informed by any real blocking. If you threw that kick, I might want to catch it like this.
Yeah.
She caught it like this.
Yeah.
Which I still took a lot of impact on that. That arm.
Also, I didn't like kick you.
Yeah.
If I put it on you, like
that hurt. That hurts. Yeah. That hurt.
Well, why would somebody kick you? Why would somebody kick you?
The attacker already picked her out as his victim.
All right. So he's following me.
By surprise.
And he intercepts me.
This is unexpected and very bad. He's got a knife.
He's got a knife.
Just come and attack first.
I have a knife.
Well, the enemy is in pain.
Yeah, you've got a knife.
Let's run.
Oh, I'm just a woman with no situational awareness, and I didn't even bother to look around behind me. Yoinks! But go into the... No! I was not making fun of women for not having situational awareness.
Yeah.
I'm making fun of the makers of these videos
Yeah,
that
yeah,
always portray women as these bumbling buffoons who have no hope. Ladies, trust your instincts.
Yeah.
They're good. Women, especially when they get attacked, they're like, I had kind of a weird feeling about this guy.
Yeah, right.
And I had my eyes on him, and then...
And now all of a sudden, I'm on the wrong side of a shed.
Right. These videos make it out like, oh, what can be done before the guys like this?
Yeah, right.
Every intelligent person I know would have seen that guy.
Yeah. I have a much better idea for the shed situation.
So that one was garbage.
The escalator can end in a serious conflict.
Okay, so I accidentally bump into him.
What do you do? Of course, don't let yourself get hurt and fight back. That was fast. The opponent falls down.
That's
something
cool.
he obviously didn't expect.
This one's a two-parter. You're going to grab my neck with your left hand.
Just like a one big bear paw.
Like maybe you're gonna like it for a kiss, right?
Oh, okay.
Right? Pretty simple. This video is fun. Okay.
Hey, sugar.
Right.
What's up?
Okay.
What were you going for?
I'm supposed to punch that thigh.
You did.
Yeah, but it didn't do anything.
It did nothing.
No, it didn't.
Sorry, I gave it to your ribs a little extra.
Well, I had just slapped you in the face twice.
That's true.
Grabs you from behind and tells
Don't look.
Well, I didn't know.
This
I
is
was
a different
looking
one.
at this. What?
Oh, an ad. I'm a good YouTuber, so I'll watch the ad.
In fact, I feel like there's an ad right now.
try to scratch your attacker's face. You can rip off his hat and
Okay. All right, so the scenario is sort of spoon me while I'm looking at my phone with your right hand.
Like a big spoon?
Like, yeah, just something like that. It looked very, actually sort of pleasant and romantic.
Yeah.
And then with this hand, you are going to gesture. You're going to let go to gesture for me to give you the phone.
To give you the
All
phone?
Or whatever. You're trying to rob me, I guess.
But gently.
It appeared very gentle. Yes. I'm again being moronic. I'm in a dark parking lot at night.
Hey, girl. Let me
Jesus.
Let me get you cellular.
Oh my God, this is creepy and annoying, right? All right.
Okay.
What do you want my hat
It's important to note, the only reason I got the hat is because Seth really wanted to see what I was going to do with it.
What could possibly be happening next?
So, it worked,
Yeah.
is what you're saying.
Yeah.
It worked. He stopped attacking me to see what kind of craziness I was doing.
Yeah. You Jake Paul'd me.
Yeah, got your hat.
Yeah, you got my hat. You have it?
it only takes your creativity to win a fight.
Sometimes it only takes your creativity to win a fight. Sometimes it takes. Okay, so I think you're gonna come up behind me and surprise attack me.
Okay.
It's hard to say what the attacker had planned on doing.
Yeah.
I'm thinking maybe a bear hug and you trying to take me down to the ground.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah. Excuse me. Hi. Good work.
This is the. Ah! Oh my God, it's a man! It's like the only situation that's gonna work.
Peekaboo! He wasn't exactly prepared for this.
See?
Oh, I hate it.
That's okay. You can always turn away from him. And cover the eyes with your hands again. This is so embarrassing. Peekaboo!
This one I feel like doesn't even deserve the conversation.
Appreciate the What a great hit. You can relax for a while. Wow, girl! What a great hit.
What does she hit him with? No, I'm supposed to be up there. Get up on you. No.
Where are you trying?
Get up here. I'm gonna get up on upsies, and then.
Do you have the knife roll?
And then.
Oh God! That's the worst part about all of it. The jarring.
Did it do something?
It did throw me off a little bit once you're up there.
That's what she did. It took me forever to figure out what the technique was.
I feel a little lightheaded.
Like a kind of hungbok, like this.
Oh.
And then snap.
Snap where? Into your leg?
No, she just sort of does this.
Oh.
I don't know what she does.
Okay. We're gonna have to really go into the small details of why this one won't work, I think.
No, let's do the next one.
Okay.
Stay focused. You'll probably have to punch his jaw. What a hit! That's what he deserves.
All right, so
Closer look at
I'm not gonna aim at his jaw.
knock his hands off to breathe.
I'll aim at his neck though.
Get him with a sharp elbow hit.
So you're here, right?
Mm-hmm.
I am about 50 feet that way.
Okay.
And I see you, and I become suspicious of you, but I must walk past you, so I'm sort of out of luck.
I see.
Yeah, because that's,
Other side of the street closed?
no, there's tons of room. There's plenty of other ways I could go.
Okay.
But I have to walk past you, even after determining that you're suspicious looking.
Am I like maybe a bad boy suspicious?
Yeah.
Like maybe you think you
like
can
maybe,
fix me?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So then you're gonna grab me and you're going to...
When you walk right past me.
Right, I'm gonna walk very close to arm's length. You're gonna grab me and you're gonna pin me against the wall.
Yeah.
Like, sort of like this.
Okay.
And I see a suspicious guy. Oh, well, I just gotta come down here.
Drugs. Look at all these drugs I've got.
Oh my God.
I'm very obviously bad.
I really think this guy
Bad
is
for
going to
anybody.
attack me.
Oh, hello. I like your beard.
Oh God. All right.
Hey there.
That was a technique. Yeah, that was a technique.
Oh, okay. Well, you were being nice to me at least. But
Yeah, it's double down block,
Gotcha.
elbow strike.
I don't hate it.
It's no, it's
I
not
don't
terrible.
hate it.
There's nothing wrong with any of it
Yeah.
individually.
Yeah, you get them closer to you.
Except for what?
Yeah, that was stupid.
The whole premise of this situation. She even in the video says, "Oh man, this guy creeped me out.
Yeah.
Let me continue to walk that way."
Press the button and unfold the handle.
So you're gonna come pin me against the wall.
Sweet.
Ow, my chest hair.
Oh, sorry.
Inconsiderate. If you're not really paying attention to what we're saying, it might seem like we're sort of picking on women with this stuff.
Yeah.
We're actually doing the opposite.
Right.
I think that these things unfairly portray and target women.
100%.
Right? I think that the idea of using the very serious topics of martial arts and self-defense and then making content that is just devoid of substance or value, just shenanigans, just for the lulz,
Yeah, right.
and just doing it for views and just for fun,
Yeah.
I think is despicable.
Yeah, I think so.
I think it's a terribly tacky and dangerous practice, and I think anyone that would engage in that sort of behavior is a scumbag.